My name is Francis Aradhya, and I'm the CEO of a very wonderful life sharing community with the name Friends of Campbell India. We are residing in Balagata with 45 members, and half of the population is people with special needs, with mental uh, challenges. And this community practices a sustainable living style. And long back, maybe now already 7 or 8 years ago, we came into one big problem. That means we were not able to keep our water free of phosphates. And that has basically a lot to do with our washing machine powder. As you can imagine, 45 people, laundry is a lot of uh, washing machine powder. And so we had a problem because we recycle all our wastewater and use the recycled water for the gardening for our vegetables and fruits. And we found out that our water system, the recycling system, was able to process all our wastewater except the effect of the powder that we put in the washing machine. And the water was foaming and not able to uh, actually break down the phosphates. So then we discovered that Brics had biodegradable products. And since that time, 2017, I think, we are using Brics for many, many different purposes, but specifically also for the washing machines. And we can see that everything has improved. The quality of the wastewater has gone up really significantly, and with very happy conscience, and also with happiness about the quality of our own vegetables and fruits, we are now pouring the recycled water all over our garden and see that the liquids from Brics are really biodegradable and are not doing any harm to our water culture. So we are fine also for hair, for floor cleaning, and so on. It is a wonderful product, and we are absolutely satisfied. All the best for Brics.